Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert an SD card into your GIGABYTE G7. On the right side of your laptop there is a micro SD card slot which you can use to insert an SD card to expand your storage or to simply transfer data onto that card, and that'll let you transfer it later on to another device, for example, or transfer from another device onto your laptop, of course. So in order to do it, on the right side you'll find the micro SD card slot. Enter it. I think the logo has to go up, like the upside. Then click on it until it goes in. Now it is inserted. I've got the notification as well, and if I click on it again, it pops out. I can take it out, and that's all about the card here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.